హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు షార్ట్ అండ్ హబ్ ఛానల్. నేను మీ హరినాగనంద్, షార్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్. మనం ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా 150 వర్డ్స్ పర్ మినిట్ డిక్టేషన్ అని చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాము. మన ఛానల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంది. మనం ఈ షార్ట్ అండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్కి సంబంధించి ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ అందిస్తున్నాము లెర్నర్స్కి, లోయరు, హైయరు అండ్ హై స్పీడ్స్ వాళ్ళకి. అలాగే మనము ఈ మన ఛానల్ నుంచి కూడా జనరల్ అండ్ లీగల్ డిక్టేషన్స్ అందిస్తూ ఉన్నాము. సో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులు మన టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. సో ఫర్దర్ డీటెయిల్స్కి మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అయినటువంటి 9704455002కి వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయండి. గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ది డిక్టేషన్. రెడీ, 1 2 3 స్టార్ట్. The Food and Civil Supplies Minister will be the chairman of the Cabinet Subcommittee to examine and recommend the eligibility criteria and the modalities for issue of new food security cards and the health cards to the public. Ministers of the government will be members of the said committee. Principal Secretary to the Government Consumer Affairs, Food and Civil Supplies Department will be the convener. Ration cards were not issued for the last 10 years by the previous government. Even deletions and additions of names in the ration cards were not allowed by the said previous government. This had left many new married couples and their kids in the list. Denial of ration cards also resulted in the people being denied government schemes linked to ration cards. The said previous government had issued a few cards during and before the elections in the state. A female snake's chamber in an drunken condition reportedly threw a snake at a bus driver after he refused to stop the bus near her locality, the police said on Thursday. The accused stood in the middle of the road and tried to stop the bus that was heading towards Chennai. When the driver did not stop, she threw a stone that broke the rear glass of the bus, forcing the driver to halt the vehicle. Bus conductor got down to inquire with the accused. The accused, however, abused the conductor and other passengers in the said bus and took out a snake from her bag and threw it at the driver, who fled the scene, and the persons gathered were ran away from the scene of offence. Basing on a complaint lodged by the said bus conductor, the police detained the accused. The accused had 3 more snakes in her bag, which was carrying by her, and thereafter the same were handed over to the forest department. The concerned police registered a case against the accused for cruelty towards animals, damaging government property and creating nuisance. In at another incident, a 4-year-old boy succumbed to injuries after a stray dog attack here on Friday. The boy, who suffered serious injuries from dog bites 20 years back, was undergoing treatment at the famous hospital, the police said. Meanwhile, the villagers are worried as dog attacks became a serious concern in the recent past. Recently, an 18-month boy was attacked by a stray dog, and luckily the alert mother quickly shooed the dog away and shifted the boy to hospital for treatment. The CCTV footage of the attack is viral on social media platforms. A 6th class student died while others were hospitalized after reporting several stomach pain at residential school on Friday. According to the district superintendent of police, all 3 students are studying in 6th class. The student suddenly fell ill in the early morning at around 3 a.m. and despite the caretaker's immediate decision to shift the boy to the government hospital, he died on the way, which is a sad incident. Later that morning at around 7 a.m., 2 more students identified complaining of severe stomach pain. Reacting immediately, the school authorities shifted them to a private hospital and thereafter to the government hospital respectively. The concerned police reached the school and conducted an inquiry with the students and staff and prepared a report basing on the statement of the school authorities. The reason behind the death and illness of the students is yet to be known. A case was registered and the investigation is underway. Attacking the opposition parties for questioning the growth of the Indian economy, Union Finance Minister on Thursday said that a multiplier effect of capital spending has helped the country become the world's fastest growing economy, and the 24-25 budget is aimed at promoting investments and creating jobs for the youth in the country. The union budget balances growth, employment, capital expenditure, and fiscal consolidation. Besides, India's middle class is getting smarter when it comes to their savings and is spreading their portfolios for better returns. We have tried to balance all these without comprising or any other one sector, she said in the Rajya Sabha while responding to the finance bill discussion. After the debate and the Union Finance Ministry's reply, Parliament also completed the budget exercises with the Rajya Sabha returning the appropriation bill and the finance bill to the Lok Sabha. After a brief discussion and reply by the minister, the upper house returned all the money bills. Earlier, these bills were also approved by the Lok Sabha. The finance minister presented the budget for 2024 in the Lok Sabha on July 23rd. Stop. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మరిన్ని కావాలన్నట్లయితే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే మీరు లైక్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేసి సోషల్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి. మరింత మంది విద్యార్థులకు అందుబాటుకు వచ్చేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ఎవరైనా సరే ఈ షార్ట్ అండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ సంబంధించి ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ కనుక తీసుకోదలిచినట్లయితే మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అయినటువంటి 9704455502కి వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.